Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, welcome back. I am back again with a new tutorial. So today is like this pink cut crease. Nothing too fancy, but perfect for like a glam night out or something. Yeah, I'm mega obsessed with it and I'm really happy with how it turned out because I have been trying to nail this style of cut crease for so long and really struggling with it. If you would like to know how I did this, then please keep watching. And yeah, if you do enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought about it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And yeah, without further ado, we will get straight into the video. Okay, so the palette we are using today is the Morphe 35C palette. So the first shades I'm going to go into are these two here. I don't know if you can see that. These two here, the like dark purpley shades. So I'm going to go into them pink shades and I'm just going to start packing them through the crease and onto the sides of my lids, just keeping the centre part blank. But it doesn't really matter if, you know, we're going to cut it out anyway, so it doesn't matter if it's on the lid as well. And then to blend out them shades, I'm going to take the orange in the palette. I'm going to go into this black, but just take the tiniest bit, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up that pink, but I am going like with a really light hand and blending it straight away. And then I'm just going to take some foundation on the back of my hand and I'm going to use this to cut out the crease, and I'm just taking it in like this half moon shape, so it's like a cut crease but it's not like the full way, if that makes sense. I'm then going to take the white in this palette and use that to set that down really quickly. I'm then going to go into the MAC pigment in Warm Snow. It's just like this shimmery white pigment. I don't think it's available anymore, but they probably have something really similar. But yeah, I'm going to use this to put like a nice shimmer on where we cut the crease, so it's not just like flat matte, if I can find the brush. I'm then going to take the Supercat Soap and Glory eyeliner and just draw just a line across the top lash line, just to cover the lash band. I'm not going to take it into a wing just because keeping it quite rounded. So yeah. Right, I'm then going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in the style Sassy, and I'm just going to glue these onto my lids. I used these lashes because they are the same length the whole way around, because I didn't want those ones that, like, you know, are more like a almondy ones that, like, you know, flick out at the end, because this is quite a rounded eye. So yeah, if you are doing something like this, like if you are doing something like this, I recommend like lashes that are like full the whole way around and not just on one corner, because I just think they look a little bit better and it keeps the look rounded and doesn't, you know, change the shape of it. Right, for my lower lash line, I'm going to go into the Collection gel eyeliner, and I'm going to use this as my eyeliner for the waterline. So I'm just going to run this into my waterline. I'm then going to go into the black shade from the palette, and I'm just going to use that to blend out that liner. And then I'm going to go into them pinks we first went in with and use that to blend out the black. Okay, so they are the eyes done. I'm going to go and do my face off camera, and then I will be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought of the video, and please give it a like, leave me a comment, and please do subscribe. And yeah, I will see you next week. Thank you once again. Bye everyone.